So it is another fabulous day in North Carolina. It is 34 degrees and raining, and the forecast calls for rain for the next 5 days. So we're pretty much shut down. But I got a friend of mine coming. Jason works a lot. Started putting an inside tie-down rail on my trailer, and sadly we had to go on vacation, and I told him not to worry about it. Let's get ready and go. So there's a little bit left that needs doing, and I got a friend of mine coming over today. We're gonna finish putting some tie downs on here. Got some angle iron right here. That's gonna be cut right there. This will be put up under it. That way you can hook a chain binder up under it, and then these will be cut and put in there so you can wrap a chain around that as well and tie down, or either put the binder right there. So give it a little more strength. We've got he did that one. I got, let's see, 1, 2, 5 more to do, and that's pretty much it. He made these logging poles for it. I may take, there's a little bit more flat bar over there. It's like 1.25 inch tube. I may have him weld another piece right here just to give it a little bit more rigidity there, so when I drop a big log on there, I don't possibly bend it. It'd be a whole lot easier to weld it on there now than once I bend it. So, yep, that's what we're going to do today. I took some white oak logs to Jack day before yesterday, and hopefully he can get those cut and get some new trailer decking. I don't think I can get enough wood to completely redo it, but I can at least start on one side and start working my way over. So that's the plan for today. Cold and dreary and pretty much miserable. Oh, it's a busy Wednesday, even though it's raining. He's down there welding on the trailer, and I got to order in. I'm about to go get some lunch, so I want to send it off. We got a large sports gray hoodie and a large black t-shirt. I haven't never really filmed the process, but grab that one and grab the large hoodie. We get a little low on inventory. So that's pretty much how my orders go. I pull those, and then I put the order in there. Either I put it in a bag, or if it won't fit in that, those are flat rate. And then I got these envelopes. If it's a big order, it goes in a box. So that's how that works. Only got one, took off. All these were while I was out of town, so that's 5, 10, 15, 20, 25. I had 23 orders while I was out of town for that week. So I got to get back, getting a little low on inventory. I got gray shirts in, there's a whole box of them there, and orange shirts, and scratch and dent ones that I've screwed up printing. Yada yada yada. I'm probably going to hold off on the hoodies. It's going to be springtime before long, and there's no need to sit on a lot of inventory over the summer. I don't think. I don't know. We'll see. But I need to get a lot more t-shirts ordered. Probably going to phase the green out. The greens are a pain in the butt to make, and they haven't sold the best in the world. So I'm trying to think of another color. If anybody has any suggestions. I did make some more molds or screens. I've commandeered the whole upstairs of this house as an office, shirt making facility, and YouTube headquarters. That'll work right there. Get some more shirts printed and keep everybody happy. Got some gravel coming, so I'm gonna go down there and wait for that real quick. It's delivery time. Just because it's a rain day doesn't mean there's nothing to do. Go get some trash racks we had ordered. And let me get them on the forks real quick. And we'll ride. And just like that, we got her. Let's get this back to the shop. These are the trash racks for those big overflows we put in with the concrete manholes. They're 48-inch diameter bar guards pretty much. And evidently we have 2 of them coming up. I know we got one, I don't know what the other one's for. Maybe it's just to have, but yeah. More projects to come. It just needs, look at how much it's just flowing right into the pond. Water everywhere. I didn't want the tractor trailer to try to come back here. It's muddy back here in the back. It's as muddy. So I am ready for spring. Ready for my grass to turn back green and this damn mud to go away. Go away. But that yard, other than the onions, is on point. Hey, guess what? It's still raining and the windshield's still cracked, but it is what it is. Oh, got the 210 moved to a little project. Just wanna ride by and make sure it was where it needed to be. Brought it over here yesterday. We got to do through the woods over there, clear a couple acres for some pasture. I'm sure it's nice and wet, but we're gonna see if we can at least maybe start on that tomorrow. And maybe, I don't know. I mean, it's going to be wet regardless. There's got to be dirt hauled in, so if we make a mess, it's not the end of the world. Just wanted to go over there and lay eyes on it and see how bad it really was. Kind of ain't really got a whole lot else to do when the rain got so much work to do, but the rain is not helping. As you can tell, the puddles everywhere. But anyways, I'm gonna ride over there and see if I can dodge one of these rain showers and check out what I've got to do. See if we can work on it. Well, now Zach's done backed his truck up under here like he owns the place.
Pull the backer right out.
He's gonna get him a hitch welded on there finally. Jeremy's about got my trailer done. Got me some tie downs put in there. Welded little plates right here so my hooks can't fall down. Another tie down. We fixed the back of the trailer where it was completely rusted out on both sides. And did the same over here. More tie downs and should have plenty of tie downs now. He's cutting out the square hole for his hitch. And there's Zach. Cold. Poor Zach is cold. About to get dark now. Gotta hold the camera between my face so I don't go blind. brackets. That thing's gonna be heavy. So I got bored waiting on them to finish the welding, and I got on one of my wild kicks here of let's go ahead and spread some gravel. I was gonna use all that on the driveway, but this was muddy as hell. I was like, you know what, this needs some rock. So I took the backhoe and spread rock all the way down there, and had a few more spots to touch up, but I probably spread 12 or 15 tons. I'm sick of mud. So now I need some more rock. Maybe I can get some more tomorrow. Oh, never a dull moment with me. I like to just rock this whole damn place. I'm tired of mud. Rock looks pretty. Might as well.